Hello fam, I hope everyone is doing just fine. First off, my apologies for not being able to post for a while, since I've been having some personal issues. Now, I'm back with the new content and I hope you'll love it. Let's go ahead with the unboxing of OnePlus 10R. Here we have the box, our very own and typical OnePlus box with a solid bright red accent and a bold black 10R. The phone itself and documentations along with the SIM ejector tool we have got here. The pretty awesome jelly cover feels handy as well as has a premium in-hand feel. Now setting the phone aside, we have the charger. The Super VOOC USB A to C cable with the very typical red and white accents. Feels like OnePlus indeed. The adapter, as bulky as it is, comes with the 80 watt of Super VOOC charging. Moving on towards the phone itself, the 8128 variant feels very light and definitely has a great in-hand feeling. The huge but slightly raised camera bump containing the primary lens, the ultra-wide and the macro lens. Now let's complete the setup as soon as possible. Hey, meanwhile, a sub to the channel would be awesome. On top, we have a noise cancelling microphone. On the left side, we have our very own volume rockers. On the right side, we have the power button. On the bottom side, we have a speaker grill, microphone along with a Type-C charging port. Now, let's check the reboot time. The reboot time is decent, but according to the price range, it seems a bit slow. However, this might also be due to the very first boot. The fingerprint on the screen is decently fast. Here is the new software update from the OnePlus community. You'll get it once you buy the phone. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll try to keep up with the posting and come up with new contents. Meanwhile, I'll post videos about the custom ROM of Poco F1, Redmi Note 7 Pro and Mi 10. Also, if you want me to come up with a detailed video of the OnePlus 10R, let me know in the comments below. Be happy and keep yourself safe. I'll see you in the next video. Jai Hind. Bye.